YouTube, I'm back with another prank video, bro. I posted on Snapchat that I was gonna do a video. If not, go to my Snapchat, emartin364. My Snapchat will be in the comment section down below. So emartin364. So I posted on Snapchat saying I was gonna do a new video releasing, and you would hear me probably saying like E space names, like capital E space nation, stuff like that. Me and my grandma's in on it too. We gonna be doing a prank on my sister coughing up blood pregnant. I don't know why, but I like bloody pregnant. I don't know why. What is this on my face? I don't know. What the heck is that? Alright. So we're gonna be doing a prank in 5. Oh wait, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Wait, hold up. I'm gonna show you how to fake blood. Remember that's from last time? Show you how to fake blood. I hear her in the living room. Yeah, so I just got back from school, and I felt like doing this prank because we probably got no school tomorrow because of the snow and stuff. Yeah, I can't see, it's foggy, but yeah, let's get into this prank. Let's get into this prank. Let's get into this prank. Let's get into this freaking prank. Alright, so she's in on it. She's about to go put her coat away, and I'm gonna set the camera up in my backpack. So let me move this. Bird. Let's get it. Alright, Mom. You gonna be like, yo, get my phone. You just come from my body. What that stuff could be used for? Yes, stop it all these things for. It's gonna have you sitting up in the hospital. Joy, bring my phone, quick. Quick, Joyce, go to bed. Quick, EJ's bleeding. Hurry. Hey, don't get excited. Go over there and see what's wrong with him, Joy. Let me call Mommy right quick.
I hate when because it's not a prank. I hate you. I hate when you do that. It's so annoying.
Somebody's breaking some of that thing at that living room. And don't you make sure you don't have nothing behind. TJ.
Nothing. There's nothing on the floor.
And stop putting that thing in your face and your stuff. You don't want to be doing to your dog. All that stuff.
Say hi to the camera.
Dang, man.
Joy caught on.
Wait a minute.
The food coloring, she saw it on the table.
And also, I saw that camera too.
Oh, you're just so smart, ain't you?
Cause last time he did a prank on me, I saw the camera hiding on top.
It was called I'm gay prank.
Hopefully gonna mess with that spirit.
I was like, I tried to walk out. He's like,
I had the camera right there.
It's so simple because there's a bunch of towels up there and his camera hiding up there. I was like, wait a minute. He's pranking.
Our first prank that finally success, bro.
It's not nice
Ugh.
to fool Mother Nature. Joy's Mother Nature.
Ugh.
Oh, I'm so. I didn't even see pizza.
All right, guys.
I can get one. I'm gonna get
Rest
one.
for tomorrow.
I'm gonna get one.
All right, guys. So this prank has finally been. All right, what up, Rocky?
You probably won't be able to eat them tomorrow, so you probably say
what's up.
He's like, hey guys, I'm just gonna go.
You see yourself, right?
I need to pee.
Say, Rocky lit sharp.
3P.
He's scared of the camera, but this prank, we finally did a successful prank. She didn't see the camera till like a minute, 2 seconds later.
Wait, Grandma, you were in this?
Yeah.
Come on! I thought we were friends.
Oh,
We are.
I guess we aren't.
that's your grandmother. Ew.
It's the
Ew.
same face, so.
Ew.
Mama
Wednesday.
don't come in here and sneak two sleeps places.
Look at this wonderful piece. I'm gonna take a piece of bacon.
Stop.
I'm just a piece.
Okay, close that. What's the receipt for that oil?
So we finally did a successful prank, guys. My grandma was in on it too. Say hi.
Boy, you got me with this hair looking like monster man.
Yo,
Great.
alright. We finally did a successful prank, guys. Successful, bro. Gang gang. But yeah, we should do more pranks like this. The next prank is gonna be a home invasion prank. Home invasion prank. Okay? Home invasion. Alright, so we out this, bro. Peace.